Hi everyone, Cheryl here, and today I'm going to walk you through adding a plugin to your WordPress blog. Now, if you watched my video on adding a theme, you're going to notice that it's very similar. So what you're going to do is go down to select plugins, and again, just like my last video, I explained with the new, most recent versions of WordPress. You really can install these automatically, but I want to show you how to do it manually because you never know if you need to do it manually. So what you're going to do is select Add New. And let's search for the plugin you want. I'm going to do Feed Burner. And let's do a search. Okay, let's see. Let's choose this one. So again, if I want to just install it automatically, I would just click the install button. A few extra steps, but we're going to do it manually. So let's select the actual title here. It's going to bring you to the FeedBurner web page, and then let's download. And I'm going to download this to my desktop. Alright. Okay, after I've done that, I can click out of that. I'm going to go to my FTP, which I use FileZilla. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pause this for a second while I go in and log in. Hold on, please. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, I'm back and I'm on my FTP site, and I want to show you something I did not do. When you download, whether it's a theme or a plugin in this case, the file will come zipped, okay? And as you can see, it shows up here because I'm in my desktop, and you can't export this over. It's not going to do anything. When you go back to WordPress, if you go into plugins, it's not going to show up. You have to first extract this file, and you also have to make sure that you're on the right level, and I'll talk about the levels later. So what I'm going to do is let's go into, actually let's go out of this. Let's go to my desktop and let's pull up the folder. My computer is so slow today. Goodness. Okay, I have it in my new folder. And I'm going to select it, but I'm going to right click and extract all the files. And this is just going to take a quick minute. Actually, not even a minute, a few seconds. Alright. So, okay, so let's go back to FileZilla. And let's go back to new folder. You just have to refresh it a little bit. Okay, so here's the plugin. Now before I extract it, you have different levels. So this is level 1. You have to make sure that when you extract the folder from your local site to your remote site, that you're extracting the folder that actually has all the files that you need. So to find out where that folder, which level that folder is in, you just click on this FeedBurner plugin, and you can see there's another level. Let's click on it again, because sometimes, usually it's just 2 or 3, but every once in a while there could be more. Okay, so that's where the information is. So let's just go back one. And so basically, essentially, let's go back out real quick, so I just want to make sure that you understand. You go to FeedBurner plugin, click it, and we know this is where the information is, so this is the one we're going to move over. Right click and select upload. And what else did I do wrong? If you notice, I didn't make sure I had the right folder up here. So what I need to do is, let's find the folder I'm going to put the plugin. It's going to my test one, which is the blog that I'm working on. Go to WordPress content, and instead of themes, we'll go to plugins, because that's what we're doing. We're working on plugins. And now I'm going to go back here, right click, and upload. And that shouldn't take too long. Okay, and it's right there. So now let's go back to WordPress, our blog, and we can click the button that says installed, and this will display any installed plugins that you have. And here's our feed burner. Now to activate it, you have to select it and click activate. If for some reason you're on this page and you think you've exported the plugin and it doesn't show up, just try it again. Make sure that you are moving over the right level over to the remote site. And on your remote site, make sure that you are in the correct plugins folder. Those are the two most common errors that people make. Okay, now that you've added the feed burner to your, and you've activated it to your blog, you can just scroll down to feed burner configuration and you're all set. That's how you add a plugin to your WordPress theme. Until next time, bye-bye.